Theodore Paul Budd is an American businessman and politician serving as the U.S. Representative for North Carolina's 13th congressional district since 2017. A member of the Republican Party, his district covers the north-central part of the state. On April 28, 2021, Budd announced his candidacy for the 2022 United States Senate election in North Carolina to replace retiring Republican Senator Richard Burr. Budd was born in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, in 1971. When he was young, his family moved to a 300-acre farm on the Yadkin River in Davie County outside Advance, where they raise cattle and chickens. His father owned a facility services company. Budd attended Summit School, a private school in Winston-Salem, before attending Davie County High School, graduating in 1990. He then went to Appalachian State University, where he studied business, graduating in 1994. Budd earned his master's degree in business administration from the Wake Forest University School of Business. He owns a gun store in rural Hull, North Carolina. The Budd family loaned $10 million to Agribiotic, which was repaid with over $25,000 in interest. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.